one sold every 4 seconds. This is a Korean cushion foundation. Really pretty packaging. Kind of like an egg shape. Okay, then we open it. Shows me to twist. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And we can see that it's got the foundation in there. And then we're just gonna apply it. I've prepped my skin, so I am ready to apply it. And I'm a little nervous because whenever you buy makeup off the internet, sometimes you're like, I think I picked the right color, but I don't know. I'm a little worried it's gonna be too dark, but we'll see how well it blends. Okay, so I'm just gonna push it a few times, put it on there, and here we go. Wow, it's definitely thicker than the foundation I'm used to wearing. It's supposed to give you glass-like skin and last 72 hours, which that seems like a lot of hours to last, but there's a reason it's a top seller. Doesn't really have a strong smell, so that's good. Goes on very easily. I'm kind of taking my time here. Normally I just throw foundation on my face. The more you blend, actually, the more it does seem like it's the right color for my skin tone. So that's good. This is the 29N Natural Beige. Okay. So as of right now, this side has it. This side doesn't. It's got a little bit of like a damp feeling to it. When you're done, that's where the little cushion goes back. Okay, now looking at the finished results, I do love that glow that it gives you. It does give you kind of that glassy skin finish, which I'm excited about. Super easy to apply. I love the shape of it. Perfect to keep in your purse or just on your vanity. Since there's one purchased every 4 seconds, maybe you should be next.